The Crocodile's Captive, a Malaysian folktale. There was a village called Muara Kandungan, situated on the banks of the Barita River. One day, the villagers came to celebrate the wedding of Gala Bungas, the daughter of the village head. It was a festive occasion indeed. The raft for the bride and groom was decorated beautifully. After the wedding ceremony, the bridal couple seated side by side on the raft traveled downstream by the river mouth. There was traditional music as well as the recital of poems. Everyone had a good time. At dusk, Galabungas went down alone to the river to bathe. While bathing, her fragrance wafted in the direction of the crocodile which lived in the Barita River. The crocodile fell in love with Galabungas. It wanted to make Galabungas its queen. Stealthily, it glided towards Galabungas. Then quick as lightning, it snatched her in its jaws and disappeared in the choppy water. At night, there was commotion in the village head's house. The new bride could not be found. She disappeared on her wedding night. The village elders sought help from a Dukan.
Galabungas is missing. Someone did a kun.
The Dukan told them,
Galabungas is still alive, but only Ajay, the husband of Galabungas, can come to see her. Ajay should accept whatever the crocodile offers.
Without wasting any time, he dived into the river and swam to the place where the crocodile lived. Ajay asked,
"Please, return my wife."
but the crocodile was reluctant and says,
Take this white goat instead.
"No, return my wife."
Very well. If you don't want this female goat, I shall swallow her now.
Suddenly, the Dukan jumped into the water.
No! No!
He caught the front of the goat in the crocodile's mouth and pulled it and snap! Dragging Ajay by the arm, the Dukan swam ashore. He was furious with Ajay for breaking the condition.
No! Look at what the crocodile offered you!
Ajay was stunned. The front leg of the goat was really the arm of a fair-skinned girl. A wedding ring was on her finger, and henna marks were on her fingers. The wedding ring belonged to Galabungas. Ajay was broken-hearted. He sat by the crocodile creek, mourning for his wife. As time passed by, Ajay turned to stone. The stone came to be called Batu Ajay or Ajay Rock. It is said that water washed over the stone would turn red.